a glowing feather, a smiling cloud, and a secret rainbow island. Will Liam be able to uncover the mystery of this magical world? Let's find out in his most amazing adventure. Meet Liam, a curious and kind-hearted little boy who is always ready for a new adventure. One sunny day, while Liam was playing in his garden, he spotted a beautiful golden feather hidden in the grass. As soon as he picked it up, it begins to glow brightly. Wow! This looks so magical! Suddenly, a fluffy cloud floated down from the sky and gently invited Liam to climb aboard. Liam, come with me. I'll show you a magical world beyond your imagination. The fluffy cloud followed the glowing golden feather, carrying Liam high into the sky. After a magical journey through the clouds, they arrived at the secret rainbow island. Liam hopped off the cloud, excited and ready to explore the mysterious island. Everything on the island was pure magic. Rainbow-colored trees swayed gently in the breeze. Sparkling flowers twinkled like little stars. Flying rabbits hopped happily through the air, and cheerful birds sang the sweetest song. Liam couldn't believe his eyes.
Welcome, Liam, welcome here. Magic Island is so near. Rainbow trees and flowers bright. Let's explore this world of light. Sing along and smile today. Adventure starts. Hip, hip, hooray.
A tiny flying squirrel named Pico fluttered over to Liam, looking worried. Pico said, "Liam, our rainbow island is losing its magic. The rainbow is slowly fading and the flowers are beginning to wither. Our magical rainbow crystal has gone missing. If we don't find it soon, Rainbow Island will disappear forever." Liam smiled confidently and said, "Don't worry, Pico. We will find the rainbow crystal together." And with that, their magical adventure began. Soon Liam and Pico reached a place where 7 sparkling crystal pillars stood tall. Their light was scattering in every direction, but none of it was reaching the glowing heart placed in the center. Liam carefully turned each crystal one by one, guiding their beam towards the heart. As all the rainbow colors came together, a brilliant burst of light shone from the heart and a secret door slowly opened. Liam and Pico stepped through the secret door. Inside, they discovered a beautiful magical garden. All the magical flowers were fast asleep. Pico whispered, "We have to wake them up with a song." Liam sang a sweet, cheerful tune.
Wake up, flowers bright and sweet. Hear my little happy beat. Open petals shine so bright. Let's fill the world with love and light.
One by one, the magical flowers slowly opened their petals, filling the garden with colorful lights and a wonderful fragrance. One magical flower smiled and said, "Ahead of you, a golden butterfly is trapped inside a magical cage. You must set it free. Only the golden butterfly can help you cross the magical maze." Liam walked over to the magical jar and gently set the golden butterfly free. The butterfly fluttered happily and said, "Thank you, Liam. I'll help you now. The rainbow crystal is with a little dragon, but to reach him, we must first cross a magical maze. Come on, follow me." Liam and Pico followed the golden butterfly through the twisting magical maze. With the butterfly leading the way, they safely found the correct path and soon reached a mysterious dragon cave. Liam and Pico quietly stepped inside the cave. At the end of the cave, they saw a tiny dragon named Nimbus fast asleep. Right beside him lay the glowing rainbow crystal. As Liam and Pico walked closer, the sound of their footsteps woke Nimbus up. But Nimbus wasn't a thief at all. I'm scared of the dark. I use the rainbow crystal like a little night lamp, so I don't feel lonely at night. Don't worry, Nimbus, I'll make an even better light for you. He gently gathered dozens of glowing fireflies into a beautiful glass jars and placed them all around the cave. In moments, the entire cave sparkled with a warm and magical glow. Nimbus' eyes lit up with happiness. Thank you, Liam. You can have the rainbow crystal back. Liam and Pico carefully carried the rainbow crystal back to Rainbow Island and placed it in his rightful spot. The moment Liam set the crystal back, a dazzling rainbow stretched across the sky once again. The flowers began to sparkle. The waterfalls flowed with shimmering colors, and the whole island filled with joy and magic. Cloud King handed Liam a glowing rainbow feather and said, Liam, whenever you are ready for another adventure, simply hold this rainbow feather, and it will lead you back to our magical world. Liam smiled brightly and replied, Thank you so much. His heart was full of happiness. Soon the fluffy cloud gently carried Liam back home. The next morning when Liam woke up, he smiled and thought, maybe it was all just a dream. But then he looked at his table. There, shining softly in the morning light, was the magical rainbow feather. So kids, true courage isn't it just about facing challenges? It's also about treating everyone with love, kindness and compassion. Friendship, kindness and a caring heart can make every adventure magical. They are the little things that create the most beautiful moment in life. Keep believing in magic and be ready for your next amazing adventure. All the best!
Welcome